Hello, friends. It's Kelly back with day 4 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. The sketches by Cheryl Ashcraft. And I am showing you some of the items that I'm using. This is another page kit. I did pull a few more items in, and I'm just kind of showing you real quick that I was just kind of going through to reacquaint myself with what is in this kit. And I am scrapping my Maltipoo. His name is Bo Doodle. And this is just a kind of a generic layout of him after he had been groomed. But really, this is not about him being groomed. This is just about his personality. And later on in the process, well, after this video, I actually do some journaling about how he's very feisty and needs all the attention, but how much joy he brings to our lives and keeps us on our toes and makes us laugh a lot. So yeah, I never understood dog lovers until I had mine, and he is so spoiled. He's so spoiled, but we wouldn't have it any other way. So I'm just using some gray cardstock here and some white cardstock to double matte my photo. And actually, I triple matte my photo because I'm going to use this red, kind of reddy orange wood plank as well, just to bring in some of that red from the plaid in the background. And I have quite a bit to say about these pictures, like I said, so I'm going to go ahead and use that whole 3x4 journaling card, and I just went ahead and added a gray cardstock mat around it too, so it's kind of, because of that plaid, I just felt like it needed a little more separation. And so in the sketch there is a big doily, and I'm trying to stick somewhat close to the sketches, which sometimes I do and sometimes it ends up going its own way. But this one I did want to use a doily since I have a whole big pack of doilies from a recent crop that I went to. We did a doily swap, so I thought I need to use those because I have a lot to use, and I felt like this black one looked pretty good with this layout. So at first I thought I would have the title, I Ruff You. Isn't that cute? I was going to put it above the journaling block, but decided it shows up better on the journaling block. And this is a Bella Boulevard sticker alphabet. I think the font is called Florence, but it's super cute. And I was just happy to use some of it. I've had it in my stash for a while and have not used it. So I had, like I said, this was a page kit. I did add a couple of things like that camera there. That was from another page kit from the embellishments that were left over. I just kind of pulled those forward to the next layout. That's what I'm trying to do, just to try to get a bunch of it used up so I don't end up having to put it all back in my stash. And those red, kind of maroony red corduroy, that's kind of a corduroy textured, those came from AliExpress. And then I went real fast and went and did some black stitching around the perimeter, and I also stitched through the 2 stars and through the alphabet just to keep everything nice and secure. Plus I like the little bit of extra texture and detail that gives. So I had these little paw prints they're puffy stickers from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to add a couple of those. And then I think I'm done and decide I need one more cluster there to bring that circular element of the doily and the rough not the rough edge, but the straight edge of that journaling block. I kind of wanted to soften that a little bit. Excuse me. And add one more of my flare buttons that I got from Karen Yeagle at what's the name of her store? I can't remember, but I know it's Karen Yeagle at Yes Please Papercraft. So I have a bunch of these flare buttons that I purchased from her, and that one says "Always in My Heart," and there's little like paw prints all around it. So all of those flare buttons actually came from her, and that's another thing that I'm trying to get used up in my stash, and because I have a lot and I need to use them. So the little paw prints, I had to add a little adhesive because those were not sticking. So that is it for this layout. Thank you for watching. Be sure to go check out all the other wonderful participants, and please be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Bye.